Hi everyone, in this video what we're going to do is figure out what the limit is x approaches 0 of x minus tan of x divided by x cubed using L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule basically says that the limit is x approaches c of f of x divided by g of x is equal to the limit is x approaches c of the derivative of f of x divided by g of x, given that the numerator and the denominator are both differentiable at the point the limit's being evaluated at, and that they're of indeterminate form 0 over 0 or plus or minus infinity divided by plus or minus infinity. So notice that 0 minus tan of 0 is equal to 0 and 0 cubed is equal to 0. So let's go ahead and apply L'Hopital's rule. So we're going to have the limit is x approaches 0 of 1 minus secant squared of x divided by 3x squared. Notice that the limit's of the form 0 over 0 again, so we're going to have to apply L'Hopital's rule for a second time in order to progress with the limit. So we have the limit is x approaches 0. Now the derivative of minus secant squared of x can be evaluated using the chain rule, so we're going to have minus 2 multiplied by secant of x multiplied by the derivative of secant of x, which is just secant of x times tangent of x, and the denominator is just 6x. This limit's equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of minus 2 times secant squared of x times tangent of x divided by 6x. Now this limit's actually of form 0 over 0, so we're going to have to apply L'Hopital's rule in order to solve it. So we're going to have the limit as x approaches 0. In order to take the derivative of the numerator, we're going to have to use the product rule. So we're going to have minus 2 multiplied by secant squared of x multiplied by the derivative of tangent of x, which is just secant squared of x, plus minus 2 multiplied by the derivative of secant squared of x, which we've got right here. So we have 2 secant squared of x times tangent of x multiplied by tangent of x divided by 6. Now at this point what we can go ahead and do is actually just let x equal 0. So in the numerator we're going to have minus 2 plus 0, as tangent of 0 is just equal to 0 and anything multiplied by 0 is 0, divided by 6. So our final answer is minus 1 divided by 3. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found this content useful.